to feel like a classic shoe. And then a lot of the materials and stuff like that they used as well makes it really feel like that classic, iconic, like all-white tennis sneaker from the 70s or 80s eras. This one in particular is like a midnight navy with a kind of light tan collar and a green heel tab and tongue pull tab. There's tons of colorways available of this Supercourt, which I think is a great as well, because you have your options to, if you want to go something really clean and just all white, or you want to go something more classic and sleek. There's lots of black and white options, or something kind of in the middle. I really like this colorway just because it was something I felt like I could wear with like jeans, I could wear with shorts. It has like a dress up, dress down colorway in my opinion, and I also like that little bit of green on the back. Just if you're wearing it with like shorts or something, it's just a little extra pop, makes these stand out a little bit more. But this shoe, like I said, right now is available for under $50, shipped on Adidas website, and they have an extra 25% off on all their sales stuff. Some of the colorways are a little harder to find the right sizing, but there are several colorways that do have quite a large size run available. So real quickly, I'll tell you a couple of details that are my favorite things about these, and that way you guys can get headed over to the Adidas website and pick these up for yourself. But the couple of things that I like the most is this double toe cap here. I like how the first layer on the outermost layer is the leather, and then the second layer that goes up a little bit higher is like more of a suede synthetic material. The materials on these are really, really nice. That's one of my probably favorite things about them, is overall the materials are really, really top notch, especially for a shoe that only retailed at $90. One of my other details that I like is the tongue tab. I like how they did the logo here, where the material, the green material, kind of ends, and then the logo and the branding that they use kind of continues past the tongue down, or past the tab down onto the actual mesh part of the tongue, and just kind of creates a unique look that I haven't seen in a lot of other shoes. And it also makes it look a little more high-end in my opinion. And then also on the heel, there's the way that this heel kind of wraps around, and the way they stitch this panel on. They actually take the stitching and go off of the panel onto the heel collar area, and it kind of forms this nice little unique detail that if you didn't really closely look at the shoe, you wouldn't notice it. But once you realize that like the shape is inspired by another shoe, they kind of found a way to balance like the look of another heel counter and actually keeping this one. So I think it's a really cool thing that I don't see on a lot of shoes. It reminds me of more of like a really independent brand or a small brand that would do something like this, and definitely much more than $90 when you're doing stuff like that. But overall, really cool shoe. I'm really excited to get these and wear them for a variety of different occasions. But head over to the Adidas website right now. You guys can pick them up. If you want to stay informed on up-to-date sneaker deals that are going on, I do have a website right now that I've been curating daily, and each day I will post a top sneaker deal of the day, and you guys can get that sent directly to your email if you go on the website and subscribe to the daily emails. And basically my whole purpose of doing this website is to allow people to add to their collection and not spend a lot of money. So head over to my website. I'll link that to the description below. There's also an Instagram page that you guys can follow as well. If you guys would be so kind to do that, I'd really appreciate it. And thanks again, and check back in again soon.